Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the SP500 index fund analysis, the Nasdaq 100 analysis, DXY or US dollar analysis, plus the Bitcoin price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So as you see, guys, here, the SP500, what it's doing today, it came here to that level here. Now it's showing going back upward. And over here, we got the 200 moving average, as I showed you before. And that level, as you remember what me I told you about it, if we zoom in out like that, what me I told you about it in the last videos. I told you when we touch in here, you need to protect yourself. And that's what's happening here. Exactly when we touch here, it's showing here a rejection. And also we enter short from here. So when we touch in here, that level here, that last low here, over here will have you protect yourself. Tell now what it's showing. It's showing it's going back upward. Should we enter long here in the SP500? No, my friends, not yet. I'm going to tell you why that long happening today, or why that pushing up it's happening today. But stick with me till now as we're going step by step and watch all the video. Don't try to skip nothing. Now it's not yet. There is no entry long, no entry short, because if you're going from here from 4 hours to the daily, you're going to get a clear picture in 4 hours. It's going there. Here in the daily, what you see, you are below in the 200 moving average, and the 200 moving average it's showing here. The market, he couldn't stay above it. Yes, it might is going to do like that just to trap people, then after that it will going up. But for you to enter long now, it need that one to come and to break that last high, which is here. That last high, which is here in the daily, that's where you should enter long. And now you are below in the 200 moving average. That means you are in a downtrend. Technically, that's how is market big players they trade it. Below in the 200 moving average, you are in a downtrend. That's it. And the 200 moving average now, look at it. If you came back historically from the start of that bear run, now as we are in, what the 200 moving average being reacting here? It's being reacting like a very stronger resistance. Yes or no? So should you enter long? We just touch it here. Yes, here it's showing us the market tried to change here. Look at it here. It's giving us a higher high. But here in that place here and here, what you seeing? Same thing like how it happened here. Because over here, even the same thing. Look at it. High, high. Then after that, it couldn't give you another high. That changed. Same thing now happening. Give you here a high. Came here. He couldn't give you another high here. So it might from here we're going to fall down more. That's why I told you need to be careful those days. Everything is too clear. Now let's go in to 4 hours to explain to you more. So here in the 4 hours for swing trading, what shall we do? First we enter short from here. Over here we're taking some profit. Now it might that one is going to take us out from the market. We're going to looking for another short opportunity. That's it. Or another buy opportunity, because it might from here is going to change. For us to know the market is going to change, what we need to do. You came like that and like that. You got here a mega. If that one came and breaking up here, that's when the market will go more higher. If that one came and breaking lower here, we will enter another short again. That's it. That's what also we're going to do here in the SP500. We need to wait in. Doing trading, you need to wait in. When is it the right time, you enter. And also we came to you every day and we analyze it for you. It's our indicator what it's saying. Our indicator is near to the oversold area. Should we buy? Not yet. We don't got any price action here indicating for us also we need to buy. And let me show you the news will push the market that much today. Is going there. The news will push the market that much today is that one. As you see it. Exiting home sales. It came positive. Not that positive, but the previous one it used to be 4 million pound 08. This month it came 4 million pound 02. That man, it doesn't came like how them they used to forecast, but it came below than the previous one. Yes or no? That man, the economic of USA it's slowing. Yes or no? That man, there is no bigger sales and no bigger new houses, because as we said in the building permit. Yes or no? That man, no, a lot of people they building new houses. That man, the supply is getting lower and lower. Why that? Because the demand, people they don't buy new houses. What that indicating? That is indicating USA is in crisis now. Everything is too clear because economic is working like that. There is time when people they go and they making big loans and you see the economic is going up because the interest is used to be lower. When interest is high, people they don't make loans and all those things they falling down, the homes and all those things, because people how they are going to buy the house with cash. No one buying with cash. They are going to make loans, and those loans they need to make, it need to be the interest rate very low for it. That's why you see those things they falling down, because the Fed is increasing interest rate more. And another thing here, that table here, look with me here at the VIX. What it telling us? It's telling us it closed below 20 again. That's when stability it came back again to the market. Why? I'm going to tell you why everything today. Let me show you why. Because of that one. The big tech, after yesterday Netflix collapse, they try to cut the cost of them. How they are going to cut the cost of them? If you remember Amazon, Microsoft, all those big techs, what they do? They fire new employers. They sack them out. Let's make it like that. They don't offer new jobs. And even those was they working, they tell them go out. We don't have more jobs. Why they doing that? They cut in the cost. Because any business it's working like that. If there is no money, then they cut in employers, because employers is always we're facing those problems that the world we living in. What happened today? Is it that one? Google or Alphabet, they announce they are going to sack 12,000 jobs. When they are going to sack 12,000 employers from Alphabet, because Google, you know the name of it as a company, Alphabet. That will send the shares of Google to rise by 5.3% today. And that way we saw that going up, we saw it now. Everything is too clear. It's going back now to the chart. So here in the 4 hours, there is nothing new. Let's go now to 30 minutes to see what is it there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes, which I told you before. I told you we got here a mega fall like that. It's getting broke here. As you see it, look where you are. Tell here. And the market, it give you another price action here. Look with me here. You see it here or no? The market, it give you here a symmetric triangle. So from here, we'll have you enter. The same thing. For megaphone and symmetric triangle. And even you got here a diamond. Look with me here. You look in here and here. What you see? You got here a diamond. So all those ones you can use them. Yes or no? But that indication the market is going to reverse. Tell where? Maybe tell here till the 200 moving average. Should you enter long the interlong, it was from down here. When that diamond appear here, we'll have you interlong. Now you are too late. Now you need to wait in another opportunity. That's why I told you. You need to be, if you want to be a trader, you need to focus about those things. Or stick only with swing trading, because swing trading is very slow. Everything's too clear. It's our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator, it's saying here, it's enter here to the overbought area. Should we enter short? No, my friend, there is no price action here in that level where you are, indicating the market is going to reverse. Let's wait until it will touch in here the 200 moving average, or here to give you a price action like that. A new price action, let's say, indicating the market is going to reverse. You know, there is nothing new. The only thing you can make now, you make it like that and you wait in the break, because even like that you got a up channel, and that up channel you waited to get broken here. That yes, if it came and breaking the lower of that trend line here, you enter short. Tell now there is nothing new. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into see the Nasdaq 100 what it's doing today. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Nasdaq 100. Same thing what we said about the SP 500. We said about the Nasdaq. Look at it. It came here. It touching here the 200 moving average. Now it's going up. Big tech descending all that much up. And here, look at the Nasdaq 100 was given also here. It give you here a very clear megaphone. And if it came breaking up, you enter long. If it came down here and breaking lower, you enter short. That's it. That's the only things you can do. Also, we enter a short from here. Over here, we're protecting ourselves and we're taking some of the profit. Now, the market take us out. We need to wait in either if we are going to go up or no. So now there is nothing new here in the Nasdaq 100. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see it, it enter here to the overbought area. Now it's coming down. Should we enter short? No, we don't got any price action now. And another thing I want to show it to you. Let me show it to you very clear. Look with me here. I'm going to show you something very important. Look with me here. If you came now and you do it like that, you're connecting the dot here and the one up here. What you see? You got an uptrend. And another one, you came here and you do it like that. What you see? You got an up channel. Now that one, if that one go up and touch here, that's man, the market is changing from downtrend to an uptrend. Another scenario, that one to came back from here and to break for you the lower here. Enter short. That's it. There is no waiting yet. Everything is very simple and very clear in front of you. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what the Nasdaq doing today in 30 minutes. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Same thing here. Look here. You got here a very clear diamond here. Over here is getting broke, as you see it. And me in the last video, watch me, I told you got here a mega fall like that. That mega fall is getting broke here. And even here, it give you another symmetric triangle, because symmetric triangle and megaphone, they will give you a diamond. It's getting broke here. Look where you are now. Over here, protect yourself now. You don't know what's going to happen. Maybe from here, it's going to reverse. Till now, you don't got any price action. The only price action you got there is that up channel like that. You waited if the market came and breaking down, because the long, you already enter long from here. If the market came and break a lower here, you can enter short. Long now, it's too late. Our indicator, what it say? Let's see it. Our indicator, as you see it, enter here to the overbought area. So now you need to looking for a short opportunity, but there is no price action over there. The only price action you have is that one, is that uptrend here. You waited if it's going to get broke down, you can enter short. Channel, there is nothing confirmed. Now let's go into see the DXY or US dollar, what it's doing today. So let's go in there. Here we are in the DXY or US dollar. That one here, nothing was changed. You remember what I told you? I told you we got here a megaphone like that, a very clear megaphone here. Till now, it hasn't getting broke up or it hasn't getting broke lower. They try to give us here like a small diamond now. Look at it. You try to connect in those dots like that. Look at it. It try to give you here like a diamond here. But for the diamond to be completed, it needs the market to come and to break up. So till now, there is nothing confirmed. And here what I told you in the last video. I told you we got here a triangle like that, as you see it. So that one, if the market came and breaking up, you enter long. If it came and breaking lower here, you enter short. Over here in the 4 hours, there is nothing new. So let's go into the daily to show you more. How is it there? In the daily, you are below in the 200 moving average. You break that long term trend. Told you enter long. No, you are in a downtrend in the daily. You are in a very sharp downtrend. There is no entry long yet. You need to be careful about those things. Let's go back to the 4 hours. So here in the 4 hours, there is nothing new. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator is it here at the oversold area. Even if we don't need to enter long, we need the price action to tell us that there is no price action telling us we need to enter. The only price action we have there is that one. That triangle, it couldn't break up. Now if it can break a lower, we will enter short again. There is no entry long yet. Let's go into 30 minutes to see what the DXY doing today. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes, same thing. We don't got nothing new here. Actually, here in 30 minutes, we got a very clear diamond here. As you see it, look at it, how clear it is. But till now, the market, it doesn't breaking up here for us to enter long because diamond, as we being coming from up, is a reversal pattern. So there is no entry long yet. And here, I show you we got here that symmetric triangle in the last video. Like that. Till now, doesn't break it down. So there is no entry short. And me here, I'm waiting that megaphone, that one. For me to enter long or short, I'm waiting that megaphone. Because megaphone is a continuation pattern that, man, the trend is going to fall down. And that's what it's going with my view. Because me, I saw it is breaking the daily downtrend. And even here in 30 minutes, let me show it to you. Look at it. Also, we're breaking here the daily trend. We came down here. We go back with the state again. We couldn't break above. Now also we're waiting the break to happen down for us to continue with it. There is no entry long here. Everything is too clear. Now let's going to see the Bitcoin, what it's doing today. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Bitcoin. Bitcoin, in the last video I told you we got here a triangle here. Like that. It's getting broke here at that level. Look where you are now. As you see it, you make very nice profit now. Should you enter long now? Here in 30 minutes? No. 30 minutes was the entry from down here. Now, you need to be careful now. You don't know if the market is going to reverse or not. Why me I'm saying that? Because look where you are. You are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. Each might from here is going to reverse. And another thing, what me I told you here about 30 minutes. I told you me are drawing 2 levels. That one up and that one down. And I'm waiting either the break to happen up or either to happen down. Till now it doesn't break in up and till now it doesn't break in lower. So there is no entry, no lower, no up. Me I'm talking here about medium term. And here that weekly trend, if the market came and break it here. Because why me are thinking is going to break it. Look with me here. If we came and we drawing the trend line here, for the triangle also we being broken today, and we calculating where it needs to be the check profit of that one. It's getting broke here, we will make it here. So it's going to get the check profit till here. And it's going to break for us all those ones. Should we enter very long? I'm talking about long-term investors. Because that one is the weekly downtrend. No, my friend. It's need to close here a weekly candle, not 30 minutes. Because 30 minutes might come here and go back. And that one is going to be just a tail end weekly. You need to be careful about those things. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator is showing us as we enter here at the overbought area. Should we enter short now? Because what also we said for us to enter short? Level, you need to be in a very stronger level. Second thing, you need to be at the overbought area. Third thing, what is it? A price action. You got any price action there? Yes, you got that up channel like that. Look with me here. You got an up channel now. If that one came and break a lower here, yes, you can enter short. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video. See you after the daily candle finish it. Bye for now.